So as of October 2021, you still have enough time to take advantage of the basically free money that the government is giving to homeowners to transition into solar energy, right? They're trying to incentivize homeowners to generate their own electricity, at least most of it. And that way it'll help alleviate the grid and help with all the overload that some local utility companies are experiencing, right? If you're even considering solar, you should kind of make a decision and hurry up, simply for the fact, if you are interested in having a tax credit, a substantial tax credit, as of right now, it's 26% of the total cost of your solar system. That includes the total cost, not only the parts, but the labor, the installation, everything. 26% of that cost, you could potentially use that as a tax credit to reduce your tax liability 1-for-1, just like any other credit. I can't stress enough to, whenever you get a proposal or a quote for going solar from any company, doesn't matter who, do me a favor and take that proposal and take it to your tax professional, okay? And have him run the numbers for you and fill out the forms. And please make sure that he gives you an accurate estimate of what you're gonna be looking to enjoy come tax time, and exactly how much you're gonna be able to apply to your loan to reduce the balance on your loan, okay? So everything looks great on paper sometimes, but I like being totally transparent and totally honest with homeowners that I talk to and that I consult. And I always say, look, doesn't matter who you choose, just make sure you utilize your tax professional, even if you have to pay one a little bit. It's gonna be worth it, because I don't know about you, but I don't want any unseen or surprises when I'm gonna do my taxes. And I thought I was gonna have this much, and all of a sudden I have something totally different, right? So if you use your tax professional, you'll be able to be just 100% sure, have some peace of mind that, okay, I know exactly how much I'm gonna get in tax time when I do my taxes. And it's different for everybody. Some people pay taxes every year. Some people receive a refund every year, right? Everyone's situation is different. So you can't treat everybody the same. So your tax professional, your CPA will be able to tell you, hey, this is how much you're looking at receiving, or you're not gonna have to pay this year to the government, right? To Uncle Sam. So whatever you don't have to pay to Uncle Sam, well, wouldn't you like to instead take that chunk of money and pay off your solar loan that much faster, right? So I just want you to have a good idea. That way you can enjoy the benefits of going solar with a lot more confidence. So hey, if you wanna see if solar makes sense for your home and what kind of savings and money you're looking at saving by going solar, it can actually take you less than 60 seconds. Just click the button on this page. It'll take you to our online solar calculator tool, and it'll walk you through a few simple set of questions, and just enter your phone number. That way we can text you the results, and you can get a really good idea on what size system you need, how much energy it's going to produce, and what the cost is, and all that good stuff, how much you're going to save over the life of the system. And it's really totally easy. So go for it, have fun, enjoy, and if you need anything, feel free to contact me at any time, and I'd love to help you with any questions you may have. We'll see you on the flip side.